Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this probability and Venn diagram question from past paper for grade 11. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. A survey was done among 80 learners on their favorite sport. The results are shown below. 52 learners like rugby, 42 learners like volleyball, 5 learners like chess only, 14 learners like rugby and volleyball but not chess, 12 learners like rugby and chess but not volleyball, 15 learners like volleyball and chess but not rugby, X learners like all 3 types of sports, and 3 learners did not take or did not like any sport. Draw a Venn diagram to represent the information above. When drawing a Venn diagram, it's important to state all the values or parameters given. So that is where I'm starting from. I have the first statement says 52 learners like rugby, so I know that R equals 52. I have 42 learners like volleyball, V representing volleyball equals 42. Then I have 5 learners like chess only. The what only are statements I look for when drawing a Venn diagram. I'll show you why shortly. So I have C only equals 5. 14 learners like rugby and volleyball but not chess. So what that means is I have rugby and volleyball only, because chess is excluded. I have that as 14. The next statement, 12 learners like rugby and chess, so I have R and C only again, but not volleyball. That's equal to 12. 15 learners like volleyball and chess, so I have V and C only, because we've been told rugby is not included, so I put that as only. That's 15. X learners like all 3 types of sports. So I have R intersection V intersection C equals to X. That will help me when drawing my rings for each sport to know that there's an intersection for the 3 rings that represent the 3 sports. And the last statement, 3 learners did not take any sport. So I have none equals to 3. I'm going to start. I've been able to draw 3 rings, circles representing each of the sports. So I have R for rugby, V for volleyball, and C for chess. The first statement I'm going to input in my Venn diagram is we've been told that 3 of the learners do not take any sports. So that 3 will be outside the rings representing each of the spots. Then I go to all my only statements, starting with chess only. Chess only is 5. So what that means is I have 5 inside chess, but not included with rugby and volleyball. Then I have R and V only. That's rugby and volleyball. Rugby and volleyball will be 14, so I have 14 written here. Then I have R and C, 12, R and C, that's 12. Then I have V and C, 15, V and C, 15. And then for the 3 spots, I have that as X. The first part of, I'm not done representing the information on my Venn diagram, because I need to find out if there are learners that take only rugby or only volleyball. We've just been given information about the learners taking chess only. So to calculate that, the first statement says 52 learners take rugby. I'm taking the ring that represents rugby. I'm going to take into account all the numbers written already. So to calculate the number of learners that take rugby only, I have R only equals the total number of people taking rugby, that's 52, minus all the learners taking rugby with the other sports. So that's 12 plus 14 plus x. If I simplify, that's 52 minus 26 minus x. 12 plus 14 makes 26. Therefore, R only equals 52 minus 26, that's 26 minus x. I'm going to insert that in my diagram. I have 26 minus x. Likewise, in order to find the number of learners taking volleyball only, so I have V only equals, I'm going to circle the ring representing volleyball. I've been given the total number of learners taking volleyball, that's 42, minus the total of those taking volleyball with other sports. So I have 14 plus 15 plus x. That's 42 minus 14 plus 15, that's 29, minus x. So therefore, V only equals 13, that's 42 minus 29, minus x. So I'm going to insert that, 13 minus x. So with the first set of information given, I've been able to draw a Venn diagram to represent the information above. The second question says, show that x equals to 8. We've been told that the sample space is 80 because we have 80 learners. So therefore, if I add all the numbers in my Venn diagram, I'm going to equate that to 80. So I have 26 minus x plus 14 plus 12 plus x plus 13 minus x plus 15 plus 5 plus 3. You have to make sure that you've included all the numbers in my Venn diagram, including those outside the rings. That's the 3 people that are not taking any spot. Then I equate them to the total sample space, that's 80 learners. If I simplify, I have 80 plus 8, that's 88, minus x equals to 80. And to find x equals 88 minus 80. Therefore, the value of x, as shown, is equal to 8. So I've been able to show that x is 8. The next statement says, how many learners like rugby only? If I go back to my Venn diagram, for rugby only, I have that as 26 minus x. So I have rugby only equals 26 minus x. We found x to be 8, so that's equal to 26 minus 8. Therefore, rugby only equals 26 minus 8, that's 18 learners. And also, because I now have a value for x, I can change all my entries. Rugby only is now 18 learners. I'm also going to change for volleyball only, that's 13 minus 8, that's 5. And also the number of learners taking all the 3 spots, that's x, which is 8. That will help me in the next part of the question. The next question says, calculate the probability that a learner chosen randomly likes at least 2 different types of sports. The first step is to highlight all the learners that like at least 2 different types of sports, and that will be everywhere I have an intersection as shown. So I have P, at least 2 spots, equals the number of players, or the total number of players taking at least 2 spots, divided by the total learners. And that is equal to, I have 14 plus 8 plus 12 plus 15 divided by the total number of learners, that's 80, and that will give us 49 over 80. Another method is to find, if I want to find P, at least 2 spots, is to use the method 1 minus P 1 spot. To find the number of people taking 1 spot, those are numbers highlighted in my Venn diagram. So that will be P at least 2 spots will be equal to 1 minus P 1 spot will be 18 plus 5 plus 5. Don't forget to add those outside the sample space, which is the 3. So I have plus 3. So that will be P 1 spot or less, divided by total number of learners, 80. That's 1 minus 31 over 80, and that will be 49 over 80. Thanks for watching. Bye.